everybody!
Hello everybody!
Tonight we are having Popiah!
Oh no!
Oh no! Alright, so these are the things that we have over here to make our Popiah. We have the Char, we have the sweet sauce, we have the chili sauce, we have the peanut, we have some timon or cucumber, we have some deep fried food choke. For the crispiness, we have Taugeh, we have eggs, we have lettuce, and we have our Popiah skin from KG Pastry.
Wow!
Right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make ourselves our first Popiah. So my daughter's gonna help me to do so. So follow me.
Follow me.
Okay, let me take the piece of the skin over here.
And also my pony.
Your pony.
Yes.
What's your pony gonna do with Popiah?
Popiah? Nothing.
Nothing. So let me try to.
It's stick here. It's stick in the this one.
Alright, so you have one on your plate.
Yay.
And then I will take one on my plate too. It's pretty tough to take at
It's
the
very
moment.
soft.
Okay, so we have our skin on our plates, and now we're going to do the packaging of the Popiah.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you with this.
I made to myself.
Okay, I have to give you some, okay? We put the sweet sauce first. Put here. And then you spread down. Spread.
I spread
It's
myself.
like making pizza.
Yes.
Alright, that's okay. You just spread it out. Okay, good. Okay, enough. Thank you. Okay, I'll do mine as well. So I'll put this here and then I'll spread it off like this. It's a bit thick, but it's okay. And then I'll put my chili.
Let me put chili too.
You want to put chili too?
Yes.
Okay, you put some chili. Here,
Thank you.
put some chili. Spread it out. Alright, good. Okay, good. Alright, so then we put our lettuce. You can put one lettuce on top here. And I put one lettuce on my side as well. Next, we're gonna put the Char,
Which Char?
which is the stir-fried turnips. Okay, put it here, put on top, spread it out. Okay, I will do mine. I think the main thing is not to put so much things, yeah, because there's quite a lot of things as we try to wrap it out together. So this I think should be a bit enough.
Yes.
And then what we will do is add out the rest, which is the peanuts.
I will put the peanut too.
Okay.
I will do myself. Let me take my.
Okay, you can take the peanuts.
Okay.
And then I'll put some cucumber.
There we go.
Okay.
And cucumber too.
Cucumber. And you put some cucumber over your side too.
Let me take spoon.
Okay, put on top here.
Okay.
And then we put some crispiness.
Huh?
Put some crispy.
Let me eat.
Okay, you can put a crispy there.
Let me eat
Okay.
one.
Okay, you put some crispy.
I eat one.
You can eat one. You like to eat crispy?
Yes.
It's food choke. Okay, we put some Taugeh. We put some Taugeh. And then we put some egg. And we put some egg. Okay, that's about it. So what we're going to do, we're going to fold it, yeah? So I'm going to fold it at the side. I'm going to fold it at the side. No, I'm going to fold front first. Okay? Then pull it out down. And then go to the sides. And go to the sides. And then roll it down. Right. So there we go. We have our first Popiah. And this is how you make a Popiah. Yes, I will help you. Whoa, what happened to yours? Okay, I'll help my daughter now. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fold the long one in first. Tuck it in. And then fold at the side. Fold at the side. And then move it down. Okay. So we have quite a strong base of Popiah. Right? So here we go. We have made 2 Popiahs and we're going to make one, few more to eat and also to give some people. And yes, tonight it's Popiah Day and I hope you like our video today. So continue to like us on Facebook.
Bye bye.
Follow us on Instagram and subscribe to us on YouTube.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Gunsta.
Gunsta.